about to f Addison up. Hi, I'm Chloe.
And I'm Addison.
AKA the Sister Stealer.
Sorry you didn't get Court's invite to Palm Springs.
Whatever. This girl thinks she is the newest Kardashian, but I'm here today to show her how it's done. Watch me beat Addison in a tiny hands make-off challenge.
You wish. Get ready to witness a beauty battle that is sure to get messy.
We're going head-to-head to see who could create the best beauty look in 5 makeup stations.
And at the end, you get to choose the winner, which will obviously be me. You ready to lose, Coco?
Well, good luck keeping up. Yeah.
Word.
Learn technique.
No, look at this skill here.
Oh my God.
You wish you had blush that looked like this.
What is this? Bronzer?
Oh my God, I feel bad. You're losing.
You didn't even do the bronzer yet. I already did the powder.
The powder?
Whatever that is.
It's blush.
What are you talking? It's a cream blush. What are you talking about?
I like to have a nice sunburn look.
Oh my goodness. See, you don't even know how to do it.
All right, and you are not doing any better. Wait, this is actually turning out okay.
Oh, I meant to push you, but no. Oh. I don't even know what to do.
Okay.
Okay, wait. Hold on.
There we go.
Hold on. Ooh, see that smoky eye? That's because I have longevity in this game, Addison.
My hands double as brushes.
Oh. Oh my God, you're putting the hands in there? That's a good technique.
Thank you. Oh, mine is looking great. Just don't look.
Hold on.
Oh gosh. Hello.
I gotta go under though. Oh my God, first of all. Oh no! You're lucky I don't need that. Oh my God, look, you got it on my cheek.
Okay, that was not me.
Because you scared me. I thought you were coming with a liquid for some reason.
Oh my gosh, this is really not
challenging.
bad. I'm like not mad at this.
I'm actually way better than I thought I was going to be.
Me too.
I should do this with the kids one day.
Wait.
Oh.
True would love this.
Oh no. Okay.
Wow.
A winged
Here we go.
eyeliner. We have to do a winged eyeliner.
Okay.
Oh,
this is going to be harder than I think.
Oh, hold on. Oh no, I messed up the sharpness of it.
Oh,
oh hold on. Okay.
I can't even pick it up. Okay.
Oh,
wait. This is going to go.
Yeah. Oh, I don't know if I'm allowed to curse.
Bleepia.
Yeah, exactly.
Oh my God.
Oh my God.
Please look at this.
I lost the whole thing on my eye.
This is really good.
No, but look, I left this pencil on my eye.
Oh no. Wait, the entire top fell off.
That's what I'm talking about.
It's completely gone. Oh, okay.
Oh, another freak.
Okay, wait.
Oh, shoot.
There we go. Is this a joke?
Yeah, exactly.
Okay, here we go.
First of all.
Oh, yours looks like a clown.
Oh my God, you're doing such a great job, actually.
Your eyeliner looks good.
Okay. Oh my gosh, I'm literally getting nervous. Oh my God, it hit me!
Wait, my aim is immaculate.
This is actually a better job than I do with my big hands, by the way.
This is better than my everyday makeup.
Holy crap.
Okay, my hand fell out.
Okay, well, that's cheating. Let me see. Oh my God. Oh my gosh. Oh. Oh my God. I honestly don't know how to wear lashes. Oh no, it's bending.
Oh my gosh. Oh my God.
Okay.
My real eyelashes fall out because of this. Someone's catching these tiny hands.
Oh my God. Hold on. Oh, there's just no way.
Oh yeah, okay. Okay.
Does it
My
have to-
eyes watering.
Oh wow. Well. Freak. Hold on.
Wait, this is turning out really well for me.
Oh my gosh, I think I ended it. Did I twist it? Oh. Well, I got them both on. That's the point. I got them both on. Stop! Put your hands down! Oh, come on. You can't look that cute like that.
I think I won.
Clearly I won. Clearly. I mean, if this isn't gorgeous, I don't know what is. Oh. I don't have any hair to do that with right now. Let me see yours. Yeah.
I feel like these eyelashes for us look the exact same. Which
and
is
that
good.
one you actually
Right?
nailed it. Which
I
is
nailed it.
bizarre. Your lips you've
Insane.
nailed.
No, this one's like, if you almost this on my face,
No, you did
that
it.
literally looks
You
like,
actually did a good job.
yeah.
You still didn't win, but you did a good job. That's fine.
I just feel bad that you like, I'll tell you you won too, just so you know.
You might have some red lips on your face right now.
Oh my God. You look
You're
beautiful.
so cute. Thank you guys for watching our make-off challenge. Clearly, I'm the winner. But, you know, we can't decide clearly or we'll be fighting the whole time. So I need you guys to go to the comments and you decide who won. Hashtag for Team Coco, but don't flood it. I don't want to shut down the server. I know everyone's going to hashtag Team Coco, but feel free.
Okay. Now if you think I won, which obviously I did, then you can hashtag Team Addison. Once again, don't flood the comments. I'll feel really bad. We don't want to.
Once again, it's Team Coco. Hashtag
No,
Team
obviously
Coco.
you're gonna do Team Addison, but what is yours again?
Hashtag
Team Addison.
Coco. Bye, you guys.
Bye, guys. Thank